I mean, Pittsburgh is at the crossroads of healthcare and technology. Ultraviolet robots, or UV robots, have been used in hospitals for decades as a way to disinfect and kill microorganisms. So it is, definitely something that makes sense for an airport. I mean, passengers just don't want to see a clean airport. They want to know it's clean and they want to know it's safe.
Because of the emergence of COVID and the focus on disinfection, we've outfitted the unit with a UVC fixture off the back, which is intended to help sanitize and disinfect the floor. Our number one priority is to understand how effective it is. The airport, as a particular application space, is very representative of a lot of public spaces, high traffic, big open areas, reflective surfaces, a lot of safety concerns. So for us, it's kind of a double black diamond problem set, and we like that, and so it's a great challenge for us.
Pittsburgh is a center for robotics and artificial intelligence. Anytime we could tap into the talent of the region, it's a win for us and for the region. We've partnered with Carnegie Robotics for the last year in testing the autonomous floor scrubber. When the pandemic hits, we're able to quickly pivot and add the ultraviolet to it to get that even deeper clean, which we need during this time.